Bonjour from Paris. The view of the Eiffel Tower behind me. Good morning from Paris. I'm here to celebrate the remaining birthday month for me, to complete my wish list, my birthday wish list. I'm very happy to be here. It's so beautiful. It's a little gloomy day, but I love it. Paris is such a lovely place to be. Beautiful. Hey my loves, I'm here in Paris right now, just completing my birthday wish, and so I decided to come here to complete my wish list for my 40th birthday. It's an amazing day in Paris. I really love it here. It's beautiful. It's gloomy, but I like the weather like this as well. I don't like too many people, so this is the best time of the year to come here. It's very lovely. I'm very excited. And here's the Eiffel Tower behind me. Beautiful. I'm not planning to hike the Eiffel Tower. I'm gonna be heading here at the Galleria Lafayette. It's one of the most popular malls here in Paris. It's really cold today. It's so beautiful here. And look at this ceiling of the Lafayette Gallery here in Paris. I am so liking the architecture of their mall. Well, they go in line here to take photo of the ceiling, but the line is so long, I don't think I want to do that. I'll just take it from here. This is good enough. So I am up closer here, and the line is so long, I don't think I want to do the line, so I'm taking it from here. And those people right there on the line to take a closer photo, but I think this should be good enough right here. I hope you like it. The line is so long, I can't do it. It's too long for me. I'm gonna go to the rooftop so I could see the view of Paris. We can take a look at it here. This mall is too big for me. I like the other mall better. It's smaller and there's less people. This one is really big, so many people, the lines are long everywhere. quite overwhelming, so I'm gonna go to the other mall on Friday to do my shoppings. And here is just more like a picture taking. I didn't get lucky at the Chanel store. I was in line for 15 minutes, but they don't have the bag that I want, the 19. It's all sold out everywhere. Can you believe it? Oh my. That's the reason why I came here as well, plus the 2 other bags. And you're only allowed to buy 1 Chanel bag every 2 months. So you have to make sure that you really pick what you like and you have a game plan before you come here. So I'm up here in the rooftop of Lafayette. I want to show you what you can see here from the very top of the building. You can't miss this place because you get to see the Eiffel Tower right there. Beautiful. And you can see all around 180 degrees view of Paris. So it's amazing, but it's really cold up here. This is the Hermes flagship store. Which is about 5 minutes from where I'm staying. I'm inside the Hermes flagship store here in Paris, and I'm gonna try this. This is very new. They have it in leather. Let me check. I like this one too. They gave me here apple juice. Friendly Hermes client also I have. So this is Parisian apple juice. To put it in a white bag for safety because I'll be walking outside. And I can't wait to show you my most expensive purchase. I'm not sure this is gonna be, I think, one of the most expensive purchase for the year. I'm very excited to reveal this beautiful black coat from Max Mara, and they are just the elite, top of the line for all the coats in the luxury market, I think. And so I'm very excited. This is gonna be in my favorite item in my closet. Let's open it. Wow, look at this, so adorable. Oh my gosh, what a cutie, so cute, stunning. It feels so luxurious. I really love it. Oh, I'm so excited to wear this. I have a black one but with the fur around here, and this one is gonna be a very different one. So I was thinking of getting a Burberry coat, but Max Mara is just more elegant, more expensive, and very elite, very chic. And I don't know what else to say. There are other versions that are cheaper in different brands, but I just want Max Mara coat from Paris. I'll show you the inside. So here it is, and this is 100% camel. The interior of this coat is made out of viscose Very beautiful, very expensive material, and this is exactly how I imagined and wanted my black Max Mara coat to be. It's so iconic. It's just perfect. Everything is perfect. I wanted it to have buttons on the side. I didn't want to have any belts, and I wanted the pockets to lay straight like this, and has one pocket in here, so it's very nice. And I love that Max Mara is made in Italy, and I think this will be a very durable 100% made out of camel. Beautiful. Of course it's very expensive, but I think I would really love to have this for a long time. This is gonna be one of my favorite thing in my closet, so yeah, very happy. God, it's only 9 o'clock and there's already a line there in HERMES, so I was planning to come here early so I can have my breakfast and watch the line, but looks like I'm gonna skip my breakfast until later and do this line first. So that is the Louis Vuitton flagship store here in Paris. It's really big inside and amazing, nice people. But I didn't buy anything because I love South Coast Plaza more and Palm Spring Louis Vuitton. But I thought I will just take a peek and walk around, do some selfie. That's what I did. All right, I'll see you around. I'm gonna go to the Champs-Elysees. Right now I'm gonna go there. It's really cold today, but I'm still going to the mall. It's so pretty here at night. Look at this amazing these buildings. The light just blends in perfectly with the building. It is so pretty. So nice to walk here at night when there's no people around. Look at that, very quiet, not traffic. It's nice. You see the view and everything of the building. This is so pretty at night. I love it. I'm walking up to the Eiffel Tower, but I'm not going up there. I'm just hanging around down here. Just enjoying the moment. Hi my loves, I'm here next to the Eiffel Tower here in Paris. So beautiful, very pretty, beautiful day. There's no rain today, it's not gonna rain. So yeah. Beautiful Eiffel Tower. It's humongous. up their stuff. So they cannot sell here by next to the tower, and the police are here watching them. So now no one is selling here. They were selling their stuff here, but now not anymore. I guess they're not allowed to. So this is the Champs-Élysées or Champs-Élysées. I don't know how they pronounce it, but this is close to a lot of shopping boutiques around. So if you like to shop, this is one of the places in Europe where you can enjoy that shopping experience. It's a beautiful day today. I finally saw the sun the first time in Paris since I came here. It's been raining, but today there's a little bit of sunlight and I could see the sun. So right now I'm gonna go head to the boutique and see what I like to buy, but I try to really just buy what I need and what I really like at the moment. Spongy. Oh my god, my god. Excited.
You can? Antigona?
Yeah. Let's look at it. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay, good.
Ça s'appelle émission show.
Oh, thank you.